My name is Priyanka Bajpayee, lecturer, Institute of Pharmacy, Sri Ram Saroop Memorial University, Lucknow. And the topic for today's discussion is prescription. We all have heard about prescription. Now let us know what actually the prescription is and what importance it holds. The word prescription is derived from the Latin word praescriptus, which is further divided into pre and scriber, which means before and to write. If we could see the scientific definition of the prescription is a medical order which is generally written by the healthcare professional or the qualified registered medical practitioner, commonly known as doctor, to a pharmacist or a therapist for the treatment of the particular disease or disorder within the patient. Therefore, prescription is basically a legal document which is given by the doctor or the registered medical practitioner to a pharmacist or the therapist for a particular treatment or for a particular dosage form or drug dispensing to a particular category of patient. Coming up to the types of standard prescriptions are basically which are already marketed by the various pharmaceutical companies. For example, ciprofloxacin tablet 500 mg, it need not to be prepared or dispensed by any pharmacist. It only needs to be given in prescription to the pharmacist, and the medicine will be dispensed to a particular patient or the registered medical practitioner, commonly known as RMP, or the doctor to a pharmacist or the therapist for the compounding of the particular medication as prescribed in the prescription and then ready to be dispensed to a patient. Like we could see, commonly this practice is followed in the homeopathic medicine, where the doctor asks his or her compounder to prepare a particular category of the medicine and then dispense to a patient. When we talk about the parts of prescription, the general classification holds these much sections, where we have a date, which you could see at the top of the prescription, the superinscription, patient details, inscription, subscription, signature of the patient, and signature and the personal details of the physician. Major classification holds these sections within these three sub-classifications. The first classification is the heading of the prescription, where we have two further divisions, the date and the personal detail of the patient. Date is a necessity within the prescription because it describes the prescriber as well as the physician that when actually the drug was dispensed to the patient and when the next dose is to be dispensed to a particular patient. Personal details of patient, which holds the name, age, gender, and the address of the patient, are very important, especially in the case of the pediatric patients or the small children, where the dose need to be calculated very accurately for the physician as well as for the prescriber. Also, it protects the misuse of certain category of drugs which are known as the narcotic drugs or the addiction causing drugs. Coming up to the second classification, which holds the body of the prescription, which is further divided into superscription, inscription, and subscription. Superscription is denoted by the term or by the abbreviation RX, which we all have seen. Now the word RX, it is believed to have been taken from the Jupiter, which is known as the god of healing. In the ancient times, people used to believe that they need to pray to god of healing, Jupiter, for the quick recovery of the particular patients. So therefore, the term RX is used at the top of the prescription. After RX, we have the details of the drug as to be drug name, the dosage form, and the quantity. So that holds within the inscription. Next, at the last, we have subscription. Subscription is basically the direction of the physician or the registered medical practitioner to the pharmacist, mentioning the accurate dose to be given to the patient and the number of times the dose to be given to the patient. Last, we have closing, where we have the signature of the patient, which is a very mandatory section of the prescription, and the signature of the physician and the personal details of the physician for further requirement or in the emergency cases. So thank you so much. This was all for today.